The Apple Watch allows you to leave your phone in your pocket or purse and still not miss any notifications, from text messages to phone calls to seeing if your kids left the garage door open. Here are 3 things you probably didn't know your Apple Watch can do. The first thing you probably didn't know is that your watch is also a personal assistant, like, "Hey Siri, what's the weather outside?"
It's currently clear and 8 degrees.
You can also use Siri to send text messages, schedule appointments, and play your favorite song. The second thing you probably didn't know your Apple Watch can do is store all your credit cards and rewards cards. You double-click the side and you pick a card you want, and once you're in that store, you click on it and they can scan your watch to make a payment or to register your rewards. The third thing you probably didn't know your Apple Watch can do is help you take the perfect selfie from a distance. You just open up the camera app, it will give you a live view of what your camera sees. You click the shutter button, and that is it. One quick shot. Oh, and it can also tell the time. Keep an eye out for more tech tips right here at TSE.